All right, so we have some ranunculus here, and these are perfect. They're upright, slightly curved. But most of my pink ones, they came in extremely curved. And what that means is it's not that they're wilted or bad. It means that the heads of the flowers were so large that the stem couldn't support the weight of it. So when you get them, they can be extremely curved, which can make them hard to work with and not be easy to design with in your bouquets. So I'm gonna show you how to wire them. The great thing about ranunculus is that they have a hollow center. And so I usually like to cut any notches off, just it makes it easier to run the wire up the center. And this is just straight floral wire, and this is a 22 gauge wire. And you can get this online, or I think like at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So the center of it's hollow, and so I start running it down the center, and this is where you're just gently straighten it out as you're running the wire. You can kind of like, I've poked it through, which is fine. I just back it out and then try it again and follow it all the way up to the head of the ranunculus. And so now it's no longer curved. It's very easy to work with, and what's nice is you can kind of bend it because it has the wire inside of it. So you can pull it into a bouquet, will work great for a boutonniere, will work great for a centerpiece. And here's one more example. This one is actually, it's bent because this was so heavy and it's beautiful. So obviously not wilted. So if you're new to flowers, or if you're DIYing, I could see if you got these, you would think maybe you got some bad flowers, but this is something that I have to deal with on the regular with ranunculus. So we'll do it one more time. 22 gauge wire, just go right down the middle. And sometimes I'll kind of squeeze where that bend is to help the wire make its way through. Perfect. No more bend. So if you get ranunculus, it wouldn't hurt for you to get some wire in advance, because I would say 50% of the time my ranunculus are pretty heavily curved and I need to wire them. Thank you so much.